Howdy homeowners, welcome back to Goettl Homeowner Tips, your ultimate source for comfort solutions. I'm Henry Rodriguez, and today we're diving into water heaters and how to find the perfect fit for your household. Let's jump right in. Choosing the right water heater size for your home is crucial for ensuring a steady hot water supply without wasting energy or money. Now let's start with the basics. How do you determine the ideal water heater size for your household? Factors like the number of people in your home, daily hot water usage, the type of appliances you have, and local plumbing codes all play a role. Take a moment to assess how much water your household uses daily. This will be the foundation for selecting the right size. From showers to laundry, dishwashing to bathing, understanding your water consumption habits is key. Now let's explore the different types of water heaters available. Tankless water heaters are compact and energy efficient, providing hot water on demand. Traditional tank-style water heaters store hot water, ensuring a continuous supply. To help you decide, here's a handy comparison chart. Consider the benefits of each type and choose the one that aligns best with your household's needs. Energy efficiency is another crucial consideration when selecting a water heater size. An appropriately sized water heater reduces the energy waste, saving you money on utility bills. And let's not forget about maintenance and longevity. Properly sized water heater is easier to maintain and tends to have a longer lifespan. There you have it, folks. The lowdown on water heater sizing and finding the perfect fit for your household. By selecting the right size and type, you're ensuring consistent hot water for your family's comfort. Thanks for joining us on Goettl Homeowner Tips. Until next time, may your showers be warm and your energy bills be low.